high-speed centrifuges. High-speed centrifuges are used for bulk separation in the industrial level. All the microfuges and the desktop centrifuge are used for clinical level, but high-speed centrifuges are used for the industrial biological samples. It has RPM of about 1 lakh RPM. It generally uses zonal rotors because in the industrial level it needs more amount of sample to be separated off. So it also consists of refrigeration system because the RPM is more about 1 lakh RPM. So it needs a refrigeration system. It also consists of thermocouple because the increased heat can be converted into cooling system. This heat is directly converted to the cooling system by this thermocouple. So the heat is going to be reduced, which causes the increase in sedimentation and decrease in denaturation of the samples. So the major application for this sedimentation is proteins, organelles, cell debris and contractile proteins. Even a small amount of changes in the proteins can also be separated off by this high-speed centrifuge. Then the ultra centrifuge. It is going to be very advanced method of centrifugation. It is generally used for isolation of biological components. It can uses about 9 lakh RPM. Due to the increased revolution per minute, it needs a refrigeration system. A refrigeration system is done by the thermocouple where the heat is converted to the cooling process by the thermocouple. So it decreases the heat level. It has an increased vacuum system. This vacuum system is going to reduce the friction. As we already saw, the friction is increased due to increased viscosity of the medium. When there is an increased viscosity of the medium, then there is a decrease in sedimentation to occurs. So when there is a sedimentation to be occurs at a decreased level due to the friction. So this friction can be easily stopped by this centrifugation by the vacuum system. So when there is a vacuum system, the friction can be reduced and sedimentation can be increased. In general, ultracentrifugation occurs at the encapsulated chamber, which causes a vacuum system to be occurs. In general, the central axis for this